Hey there, automation enthusiasts. Rexel India and I are here to guide you through industry automation, home automation, lighting, and MRO. Welcome to our first episode. Automation is a game changer. It solves inefficiency and saves time and money. Manual processes are outdated, and we are here to show you why. Rexel India offers cutting-edge solutions. For industries, we boost efficiency and cut costs with industrial automation. Homeowners and commercial places enjoy convenience and energy savings with our home automation. Our lighting solutions brighten spaces while saving energy. MRO made easy with our wide range of products. Stay tuned for more in this series. Follow us for the latest in automation trends and tips. The future is automated, and we are your partner in it.